Hi, we're going to talk about using Pythagorean theorem. So we're going to start by writing down Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now, the question we're going to be answering is it a right triangle? We'll use Pythagorean theorem to show that. The important thing to remember is that the hypotenuse is always the longest side. So looking at this first triangle, this leg is 9 centimeters, this leg is 40 centimeters, and this longest one is 41 centimeters, and that is our C. A and B are interchangeable. I'm going to call this side A and this side B. So I'm going to now substitute to make 9 squared plus 40 squared, and I'm questioning if that equals 41 squared. Well, 9 squared is 81, 40 squared is 1,600, and 41 squared we're going to do on a calculator is 1,681. When I add these together, I get 1,681 equals 1,681. So this is a right triangle. Okay. Give you a minute to think about that, and we're going to move on to this other problem, this next problem over. So we've got a triangle with one side is 18, the second side is 12, and the third side is 24. The longest side is the hypotenuse, so I labeled that C. And these two sides could be either one, could be A or B, because the legs are interchangeable. That's our commutative property. So I'm going to start by writing A squared plus B squared equals C squared. That is our Pythagorean theorem. And I'm going to substitute 18 squared plus 12 squared. Does that really equal 24 squared? I'll try to get my finger out of the way. Well, 18 squared is 324. 12 squared is 144. And let's go with 24 squared is 576. Okay, 4 plus 4 makes 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 3. So when I add those together, I get 468, which does not equal 576. So in conclusion, this is not a right triangle. It definitely is a triangle. We can see this if we look at triangle inequality theorem. The two legs, when I added together, 18 plus 12 make 30, are longer than the longest side, making it a triangle. Using triangle inequality theorem again here, thinking back to 7th grade, 9 plus 40 are 49. 49 is greater than 41. So that allows us to say it's a triangle, but this one is a right triangle. And because it's a right triangle, I put that little square in it. This is not. I am not going to put a little square in here. Okay, so we've got two more problems down here. So again, 28, 21, and 20. So this is definitely C. I'm going to call this one B and this one A. So I'm going to write Pythagorean theorem as C squared equals A squared plus B squared. So does 28 squared really equal 20 squared plus 21 squared? Well, let's go with 28 squared is 784. 20 squared is 400, and 21 squared is 441. So if I add these up, 784 to 841, not equal, so not a right triangle. Okay, and it works just as well for fractions. It would also work for decimals. I'm going to go ahead and slide this a little bit.